Hello, and welcome to LiftTech Pakistan. We are your one-stop solution for all your lifting equipment needs. Our team of expert mechanical and electronic engineers are ready to serve you with top-notch services. As a parts supplier, rental provider, and repair specialist, we offer comprehensive solutions for all your lifting equipment requirements. From boom lifts to scissor lifts, telehandlers to low-level access equipment, we have you covered. Our services also include preventive maintenance to ensure the smooth operation and longevity of your machinery. With a strong track record of working with MEP companies and a customer base of over 1120 satisfied clients, you can trust us for reliable and professional services. Contact us today at lifttechpakistan@gmail.com to discuss your lifting equipment needs and let us provide you with the best solutions. Thank you for choosing LiftTech Pakistan as your trusted partner in the lifting equipment industry. #LiftTech Pakistan, #lifting solutions, #mechanical engineering, #electronic engineering, #maintenance services.